In Zimbabwe, the drama unfolds with an intensity that rivals any theatrical production, where loyalty and betrayal are intertwined with the destiny of a nation. Christopher Mutsvangwa, a key figure in Zimbabwean politics and a spokesperson for the ruling party, ZANU-PF, recently hinted at presidential ambitions, a revelation that sends ripples through the political landscape. More senior than Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Mutsvangwa's position gains complexity when his son Neville is arrested under charges of money laundering and illegal cash dealings. Scene script. Neville's arrest, however, isn't just a legal matter, it's a chess piece moved on the political board. Mutsvangwa claims his son's innocence, arguing that this is not justice but manipulation, a ploy by unseen adversaries using the judiciary as a tool for political gain. The target? Mutsvangwa himself, in a bid to weaken his political standing and influence. The plot thickens as Mutsvangwa's wife voices her conviction that their son's arrest is nothing short of political victimization. This isn't just a family defending one of their own, it's a public battle cry against perceived injustices that reach the upper echelons of power. In a deft move to clear the air, Mutsvangwa assures that President Mnangagwa is not behind the arrest. The insinuation is clear. There are others, cloaked in the guise of constitutional authority, maneuvering to position themselves as the next leaders of ZANU-PF and the country. Mutsvangwa's refusal to bow to political pressure is evident as he asserts, the gate to power is through an election, not through games and shenanigans. This isn't just about a father and his son, or about the legalities of an arrest. It's about the enduring bond between Mutsvangwa and Mnangagwa, a relationship forged in the fires of the liberation struggle, dating back to when Mutsvangwa was a young recruit in Mnangagwa's office in 1978. Their history is a testament to loyalty over decades, a bond that Mutsvangwa believes is unbreakable despite the machinations of political rivals. The implications of this unfolding drama are vast. As Mnangagwa's second and final term approaches its end in 2028, the positioning within ZANU-PF could redefine future leadership. The stakes are high and the outcome uncertain. Will the loyalty of old guard revolutionaries hold against the ambitions of rising political stars, or will the pressures of political intrigue and power struggles lead to unexpected realignments? In Zimbabwe's political theater, the next act is always uncertain, but one thing remains clear. The struggle for power is relentless, and only the most astute will rise to the top. As the curtain falls on today's episode, the audience is left pondering the future of a nation balanced delicately on the edge of old alliances and new ambitions.